Welcome back. There's been a couple pieces of news for Hedera in the last week, and also some fireworks in the broader crypto market. I'd like to discuss those, but also how capital flows have worked in the crypto markets in the past and will likely repeat in the future. First, let's get into the news. The number 11 cryptocurrency exchange by volume, Bitstamp, listed HBAR this week. It didn't have a large market impact, but additional on-ramps will certainly help if this bull market continues, so it was good to see the addition. Next, we have Hedera and MTech announcing a partnership to develop an enterprise-grade, highly performant, highly secure, and energy-efficient CBDC infrastructure product. Now, we knew Hedera was focused on CBDC, and MTech CEO Carmel Cadet has presented to Congress on a potential U.S. CBDC, but I still found it interesting that Hedera decided to use a U.S. $100 bill as the image for this press release. I think we could see some fireworks in this space for Hedera, so this announcement may lay the seeds for a major catalyst for HBAR in the future. Now, let's dig into the markets. Though HBAR dropped a little since my last video, and is consolidating below 40 cents, Bitcoin has gone on a tear, breaking through resistance, and is sitting about 55,000 right now. There really isn't much resistance between here and the previous all-time high at 64,000. It can be frustrating to watch Bitcoin rocket higher while HBAR has been stagnant, but it should really be expected. It's just how the crypto market works, and it should bode well for us in the future. I've talked about this in the past. December 2020 is a good example. Bitcoin started its bull run, more than doubling in just a few months and breaking its all-time high. During this time, HBAR actually fell, but I was pounding the table that HBAR would have its run. Not surprisingly, HBAR took off in the following few months and pulled over a 15x to its high from the December lows. Essentially, what's happening when Bitcoin goes on one of these runs is traders are pouring into Bitcoin to catch the pump. They may pull some capital from the altcoins, but they are also pulling capital from outside the crypto markets. They inhale this capital, and this is generally followed by them exhaling it into the top altcoins. That capital then flows into the mid-caps like HBAR, and finally into the small and micro-caps. Different alts catch their bids at different times, but if we continue this bull run, which is looking more likely all the time, HBAR will almost certainly catch an impressive run at some point. A good example of this dynamic in late cycle is what happened with XRP in the 2017-2018 bull run. XRP was actually in a bear market for most of that crypto bull, except for a few weeks in the spring of 2017 and a few around the new year of 2018. As you can see, Bitcoin was in a solid bull market in the fall of 2017, constantly rising. I can imagine how frustrating it must have been for the XRP army. But in the end, when the capital started to flow into XRP, it blew the doors off Bitcoin, and it became the biggest story of the bull run. The moral of this story is that most of the gains come to individual alts in a very short window. It's important to be patient and catch those runs. So again, some key levels for the HBAR are support that's developing around 37 cents and strong support down around 30 cents. On the upside, getting above 40 cents will be constructive, but for a confirmed breakout, we really want to get above the 0.786 fib extension level at about 47 cents. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and hit that like.